Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble baths at home. First, ensure your bathtub is sparkling clean for the best experience. Next, choose a gentle, skin-friendly bubble bath solution. Then, adjust your water to a comfortably warm temperature. Finally, add your chosen product directly under the running water as the tub fills up. This simple start sets the stage for a truly relaxing soak. When selecting your bubble solution, commercial bubble bath products are designed for consistent, long-lasting foam. Alternatively, for a more natural approach, consider using mild liquid soaps such as castile soap. You can also enhance your bath by adding just a few drops of your favorite essential oils for a delightful aroma. Remember to avoid harsh detergents, as these can irritate your skin and are not formulated for bathing. To achieve the most abundant bubbles, pour your chosen solution directly under the faucet's strong running stream. The sheer force of the water hitting the product is key to generating a rich, foamy lather. For an even greater bubble boost, gently agitate the water with your hand as the tub fills. Be careful not to overfill your tub, as too much water can actually diminish your bubble volume and density. To truly elevate your bubble bath experience, consider adding 1 cup of Epsom salts to the water for muscle relaxation and detoxification. You might also drop in a bath bomb for an extra burst of fizz and delightful fragrance. Create a serene atmosphere by dimming the lights and playing some calming music. Finally, remember to stay hydrated by drinking a glass of water before and after your luxurious soak.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.